So this article is coming from Electric. NIO launched the new ES6, an all-around high-tech electric SUV. And boy, this is a pretty car. Let's get into the article. So the EV maker, NIO, officially launched the new ES6 electric SUV on Wednesday. Despite the ES6 compact size, NIO expects significant results from its second generation electric SUV. The ES6 has been a primary seller for NIO since its launch. According to information from CNEV Post, the ES6 represented nearly 64% of NIO sales in 2020, 45% in 2021, and 46% from available 2022 data. This I did not know. Great info to know. Look at that pretty car. NIO held a launch event Wednesday across several media platforms, revealing the all-new ES6 model. The new ES6 features a slick interior design representing NIO's evolution with intelligent multi-beam headlights, illuminable blade taillights, and low wind resistance. That's a pretty car. Powered by a 150 kilowatt front and 220 kilowatt rear motor, the ES6 features up to 486 horsepower or 0 to 62 miles per hour in 4.5 seconds. All right, let's talk about the interior. ES6 features a complete refurbishment of the second living room, complete with NIO digital cockpit. So if you want to take a little snooze, you can roll this bad boy all the way back. This is a pretty car. NIO would initially offer the new ES6 and two battery options. The cars are available for delivery on May 25th. But even the launch of the ES6 could not boost the stock for one reason and one reason only. There is another Chinese EV maker that goes by the name of XPeng. So this article is coming from the Motley Fool, why NIO stock crashed today. It was what Chinese peer XPeng said when it reported first quarter earnings today. XPeng warned investors that it sees relatively flat sequential sales for the remainder of the second quarter. This implies the company is losing market share, and NIO could be in a similar position. And NIO has also seen a downward trend in monthly vehicle deliveries since they peaked at a record of nearly 16,000 in December 2022. NIO reported April 2023 deliveries of just 6,658 units. Now, this all comes as overall demand for EVs in China grows to the tune of 30% year over year. So where is the sales coming from? Well, it's largely going to the larger EV makers, yours truly, Tesla and BYD. So let's go to the chart, and this was Tuesday and this was Wednesday. So we had a gap down, we had a gap fill, and then Wednesday to Thursday you had another gap down in price. But rest assured for the bulls, this is all part of the bottoming process. All right, let me zoom out so that you can see. When in doubt, zoom out. All right, so this is what I'm projecting. Well, let's just go back to the daily chart for a minute. Prices are making higher lows and lower lows. Price came off of this sell area, and price is on the verge of making a lower low. Now I do have a $6 target. Right now the price is at 770. So let's zoom out. So the target at $6 was based on what was support, became resistance, and that should serve as support again. Now price can break the target at $6, which would be fine, right? What I'm looking for is a price formation, a bottoming formation, sort of like we had in 2019 and 2020. That would be eventually a double bottom, and I'm looking for this type of projectile in price action. But we need to hit this $6 target first before price bottoms. Let's go to the weekly chart. Now after months of consolidation where price was in a sideways market, price eventually broke down. Usually when you break down from a range, you usually retest the origin of the breakdown, which is what we had here. Now for the past couple of weeks, price has been range bound as well, but I do anticipate price moving down again to this target at $6. Now NEO has earnings on June 6th, I believe, and that should be the catalyst for the next leg down. So there you have it. Beautiful car, beautiful launch, but that could not propel the stock higher. Just the macro fundamentals are not in favor of NEO as of yet. Thanks for watching. Subscribe. Please like the video.